Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be taking a look at changing out a second bias transfer roll on a Xerox AltaLink B8100 series copy machine. Thanks for joining us on the printing workshop. I'm Matthew.
First thing you're going to want to do is open the front cover. You'll have to remove the waste toner transport assembly by unlocking it and then depressing the side handles and pulling it straight out. You'll set that aside, and then up inside this cavity in the upper right corner is your transfer belt cleaner. It's labeled Arch 6, and what you're going to want to do is twist the orange lock handle counterclockwise. You'll simply grab it and pull straight out on it. And that's your transfer belt cleaner. To go back together, it's the exact opposite. You have a little guide on the top, similar to the drums, and it'll go right into the slot in the machine. And once you're settled in, you push it straight in until you're all the way in, and then you turn the little orange handle clockwise about a quarter of a turn, and then you'll reinsert your waste toner transport assembly. With 2 thumbs, you'll press both sides evenly until it locks. Turn the orange lock, close the front cover. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.